One little birdie, oh so fun, flying high up in the sun. Two little birdies in a tree, singing out their melody. Three little birdies snug in their nest, sleeping soundly as they rest. Four little birdies taking flight, soaring up to a great height. Five little birdies flapping wings, pecking seeds and doing things. Six little birdies perched up high, watching as the world goes by. Seven little birdies chirping a song, sharing worms and flying along. Eight little birdies tweeting with glee, a symphony of sounds for all to see. Nine little birdies all in a row, tweeting, chirping, putting on a show. 10 little birdies chirping all day, making our world a bright and happy way. So now you see these birdies fly and sing their songs up in the sky. With rhyming numbers from 1 to 10, a story of birds, let's read again.